Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to see TikTok videos without the application. You can watch TikTok videos without the app by using a web browser like Chrome, Safari, Firefox on desktop or even mobile. So to go through the TikTok videos, all you have to do is open your device's browser, then head to this search bar, then type in official TikTok site, which is www.tiktok.com, or just simply type in TikTok. And as you can see, you should be able to find this site over here. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on it and you'll be redirected to the TikTok's official website. However, in my case, the app is being loaded automatically because I have installed the app prior, but if you don't have it installed on your device, you should be able to enjoy it from the site itself. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.